How to fix black screen in KineMaster. Now, if your KineMaster is showing black screen instead of this colorful, beautiful screen, you might have some issues in your device or the KineMaster application. Now, in order to fix this issue, you can do few things. First one is checking if your KineMaster application is up to date or not. If it is not updated, you can go to Play Store or App Store and update the application at very first. And if that doesn't work, you can try to reboot your phone and then open KineMaster again to see if it works normally. Then the other solution we have is to go to the app settings of the device and then go to the KineMaster app setting. Then select this storage option and clear the cache, because these problems might occur because of the cluttered cache that app might have. So by clearing it, the app might work normally as before. So if this video helped you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.